Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up a brand new Chromebook, step by step, so that you can start using it right away without confusion. When you first open your Chromebook and press the power button, you'll be greeted with the welcome screen. Here, the first thing you'll want to do is pick your language, keyboard layout, and accessibility options if needed. Once that's set, click Get Started and connect to a Wi-Fi network. It's important to use a stable internet connection because Chromebooks rely heavily on the cloud to sync your files, apps, and settings. After you're online, your Chromebook will check for updates automatically and may restart once or twice to install the latest version of Chrome OS. This ensures you're starting off with the most secure and up-to-date software. Next, you'll be asked to sign in with your Google account. If you don't already have one, you can create one right there on the device. Signing in with your Google account is key because it connects your Chromebook to Google Drive, Gmail, and the Play Store, and it also syncs your bookmarks, extensions, and settings across any other devices you use. After signing in, you'll be prompted to accept Google's terms and adjust privacy settings. You can choose whether or not to allow Google to back up and sync your apps and files automatically, and most people leave this on for convenience. Once you're signed in, the system may ask you to set up Google Assistant, which lets you use voice commands to search or perform tasks. This part is optional, but it can be handy if you like using voice features. After that, you'll land on the desktop, called the shelf on Chromebooks. The shelf is where you'll see commonly used apps like Chrome, Files, and the Play Store. From here, you can customize your Chromebook. Click the Launcher button in the bottom left corner to see all your apps, and if your model supports Android apps, you can open the Play Store to download things like Microsoft Office, Zoom, or even games. You should also take a minute to adjust your settings by clicking the clock in the bottom right corner. Here, you can connect Bluetooth devices like headphones, change display settings, and manage storage. It's also a good idea to explore the Accounts section in Settings if you want to add another Google account or set up supervised accounts for kids. And that's it! Your Chromebook is now fully set up and ready to use. From logging in with your Google account to customizing your apps and settings, the process is simple and fast. You're now ready to browse the web, stream videos, do schoolwork, or work on projects right from the cloud. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.